Hi everyone, it's me again. So it's another unboxing or unpacking from a package that I received from Thailand. So are you also excited to see what's inside this package? So let's see. Let's start opening it. Okay. It's actually a couple of shirts that I bought from here. So let's check this photo book again. I think this is my second one already. Here, it's a signed one from Frank, and I guess you can also check out my earlier or my previous video. I have a total of 5, and there's an additional 2. So this is actually goes with as a freebie or as a promotion for the t-shirts and jacket that I bought from Fishing Bears. Here, thank you for waiting for me all the time. I'll work harder and show a better side. So this is the name again of the Instagram shop if you want to check out the shirts that I bought and also get a chance if they still have the promotion with the free photo book. Look at the smile of Frank. It's really infectious. I really like the photo book. So if I were you guys, go check out the Instagram account. And this is the jacket that I actually bought here, the yellow one. So let's look at it as well later. Here. And the last one. You can check out the Instagram of Frank to look at the Instagram shop that is selling this jewelry. I think it's Rocket Jewelry, but please double check. Here, and I bought this t-shirt. It has a free photo signed by Frank. Let's try to open it. So here is the photo. Look. And they are also selling this shirt actually. This is the name of the shop, Fishing Bear. Look at the smile. So here is the shirt. It's really cute. Okay, let's open the other one. Look at it. Do you have a map? I just keep on getting lost in your eyes. It's also a signed photo. Let's open it. Here. It's a bigger photo than this. And we have the shirt. It's actually the same. Oh no, it's a different one. But this is the one that Frank is wearing, but this is just color. It's really cute. Can't wait to wear this. And then for the last item, there is actually a free notepad. See, it's also signed by Frank, and there's a picture of Frank here. So maybe I'll keep this. I won't use this. I'll keep this. And then this is the jacket. Because I noticed that yellow looks good at Frank, so maybe it looks also good at me. So I bought the yellow jacket, but they have different colors for this one. You can check out the FB page again of the Fishing Bears. Here is the name, to check out all the items that they are selling. But overall, I guess I'm really happy with my purchases, especially for the photo books that I received for today. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. Thank you.